Boyfriend.
May boyfriend ka na!
Yes.
So, non-showbiz ito.
Yes.
So,
Teka,
few details.
Very private person.
I know, pero close naman kay ni Erich.
She's a very good family friend.
Because, di ba yung, ano naman niya, yung suitor niya is related to your boyfriend?
Really?
Di ba?
Maybe ask her. I'm not sure.
Pero you see each other ba pag may mga events sila, ganyan?
Of course, Erich, Ate Erich, as I call her, she's very close to my family and we've been very close to each other for a few years now. She even joined us for during the Christmas break when we went to Japan. Yeah, she's like one of my sisters and she's also, my mom calls her daughter and she calls my mom. So, she's part of her family as much as any of my other siblings.
Ano to? Meets
At pwede talaga kayo maging, family, pag
I don't know
matchmaking,
about that.
para
I don't
gano'n.
know
O
about
pag yung mga, boyfriend nyo ay bilang magkapatid, di
That's
ba?
her person. I don't know. I want to talk about my personal life more than get into that.
Pero matchmaking, matchmaking thing ba yung nangyari? Kasi syempre related to sa sabi nga ni Alan.
Really? I don't know. It's not my place to answer.